여러분 안녕하세요. 한국어 시간입니다.
The writing order. How to write the vowels. Now that you have learned what sounds the vowels make, let's try to write vowels. Hangul is not a picture, but a letter. So, it must be written according to a specific order. In Hangul, the letter on the left must be written first, and then write the right one. For example, when writing B, B up on the left must be written first, followed by E. Additionally, Hangul must be also written vertically, from top to bottom. For example, when writing gu, write giyak on the top first, and then u on the bottom must be written. Remembering these principles, let's practice writing the 10 basic vowels. Make sure is written from left to right, and E is written from top to bottom. Now, let's write ah and ya. To write ah, start with E on the left, and write it from top to bottom. Then add a short stroke from left to right. For ya, write the second stroke below the first stroke of ah. Has a short stroke on the left. So start from a short stroke from left to right, and then write E from top to down. Yo has the second short stroke below the first short stroke of yo. So, after writing the second short stroke, write E. Now, let's write O and yo. For O, start writing a short stroke from top to bottom, and then write from left to right. Yo is written with the second short stroke after the first short stroke, and then write Let's move on to u and u. Is written first for u, because is on the top, then a short stroke, and then write a short stroke from top to bottom. U has the second short stroke by the first stroke of U. I hope you'd like to practice writing the basic vowels a lot. Reading Hangul. By learning vowels in this way, you can read some words in Hangul. Shall we read some words?
아이,
여우, 오이, 우유.
So far so good? Now, listen to the sounds, and find out the right vowels, and then, complete the words with them.
우유, 아이,
After lesson. When you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe to my channel, you can systematically learn Korean. Next time, we start to learn Hangul consonants. Please, you'd like to look forward to it.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.